hot, hot. The hot dog. The end.
Yay. Okay, do the next one.
7.
Daddy can record you.
A. Egg. Big. Egg. Pig.
Good. Jig is a big pig.
Jig. Can.
Good, Jordan.
Egg. Dig. And the egg.
Good.
Mag. Can.
No, mag can. Now what's that word?
Egg. Dig. And egg. Dig.
Good. This is a hard one, Jordan. Holy moly.
Whoa, it's the first.
Yeah. This is a question mark. Where does your voice go?
The
Sit up so Daddy can tape you.
did jug. What?
Good.
When?
Good, Jordan.
Let's go louder.
Did Jig win?
Did Jig win?
Now read this one.
This?
No, you just read. Did Jig win? Now you're right here.
It did Mag win?
Good.
Jig did win.
Excellent.
Jig and Mag ran. Mag can
Good.
dag
Ag.
tag
Good.
jig
Good, buddy.
Mag did win. The end.
Okay, show Daddy the book. Show him the book.
What a smart boy. Let me see that smiley face. Are you the greatest reader?
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel when you read?
Good.
Good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I love the way you did your question marks.
Yeah.
Hey, Jordan. I love you.
Okay, read the next one to Daddy anyway.